In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to apps. Whether you want to read and send Gmail from another email program or automate tasks between Gmail and your favorite tools, I'll walk you through what to do and how to do it safely. Let's start with using Gmail inside another email app, like Outlook, Apple Mail, or Samsung Mail. Open the Mail app you prefer and look for the option to add an account. Choose Google or Gmail as the account type. You'll be taken to Google's secure sign-in flow, where you enter your Gmail address, complete any verification prompts, and grant the app permission to access your mail. When you tap or click Allow, the app connects using OAuth, which is Google's modern, secure method for sharing access without giving away your password. After that, your messages will begin syncing, and you can read and send email right from that app. No need to open the Gmail website. A quick heads up. Older methods that ask for a simple username and password without Google's sign-in are blocked now. If your app only offers that option, look for a Sign In with Google button, or update the app to a version that supports OAuth. Now, if you'd like Gmail to work with other online tools, think spreadsheets, project boards, chats, forms, or CRMs, automation platforms make this easy and code-free. Zapier is a popular choice that connects Gmail with thousands of apps. The idea is simple. You pick a trigger, like receiving a new email or starring a message, and then choose an action, like creating a Trello card, saving attachments to Google Drive, or sending a confirmation through Gmail when someone submits a form. You set the rules once, test the workflow, and let it run in the background so you don't have to copy and paste information. If you prefer alternatives, platforms such as Albato or Relay.app offer similar integrations and can help you build workflows that include Gmail alongside other services, even for specialized needs like coordinating with App Store processes. A few security tips as you connect things. Always use OAuth sign-in when linking Gmail to any app. If you see a screen that asks for your Gmail password directly, cancel and look for Sign In with Google instead. Review the permissions you grant and keep them as minimal as possible for what you need. If you ever change your mind, you can manage and remove app access from your Google account settings. That's it. Connect Gmail to the apps you use every day, stay secure, and save time with smart automation.